Actually, I cracked this job only because of BygC. The trainees, our G ma'am, Ramya ma'am, when we are talking with them, even a mere conversation is very informative. And they are talking with us through their experiences. So after completing the BygC modules, I can think from the bank's perspectives too. I'm Anupama Krishna. I'm from Ernakulam, Kerala, and I'm 2015 graduate. And after that, I got married and I have two kids. Between I joined two companies, means I couldn't go through the jobs, and so I quit. Then actually, banking career is my dream. So when I was scrolling through the Instagram, I came to know about the BygC and I contacted, and then I came to know that and I came to realize that it is the wonderful decision that happened in my career. So and they gave all the informations about the courses, and then I took the decision to join BygC. Then I am here, and almost I'm placed and I got the offer letter, and I'm waiting to join to achieve my dream. I joined for 2 to 3 banking courses. So I cracked some prelims and I didn't get the mains. So considering my age, actually this is the last option for me to achieve my dream. And also you're right that when we are seeing such ads, definitely we feel some doubt that they are genuine or will they give us the job. But when I search the feedbacks and when I gone through the videos in their YouTube channels, I felt some genuinity from their side too. So and also from BygC, I contacted Lakshmi, and she motivated me, and also she said that there is trainees from the Kerala too. So then I took the decision to join BygC. Actually, the feedback from their website and the YouTubes are very helpful to take such a decision. Actually, I cracked this job only because of BygC. The trainees, our G ma'am, Ramya ma'am, when we are talking with them, even a mere conversation is very informative, and they are talking with us through their experiences. So after completing the BygC modules, I can think from the bank's perspectives too. And before that, I am just a what to say, just an not the employee or someone who is visiting, and I could only think from other perspectives. But now I can think from the bank's perspectives too. So from their classes and the UG ma'am's interview sections were very helpful. Actually, when I start the course, I felt little bit difficult to catch or understand the ideas because they are telling from the bank's perspectives. Okay, it took some time for me to catch those things because I have that much career gap. So I used to search from my side too by watching the YouTube videos. And from the beginning, I felt something difficult, but when it came to end, actually, I couldn't forget that the course is ended. Actually, that was very interesting, and I have such eager to watch the modules actually. And within 20 days, I could complete the modules. And one more thing I chose weekly is pay after placement. So as I am not an earning member of the family, so it is difficult for me to arrange such huge fees. But within that fees that you are giving us the course, I could achieve my dream. So I am very grateful that I got this job through BygC by giving such a small amount, and I am very happy that I can pay the or I am now I am able to pay the balance amount. Okay, actually I would like to tell that when who want to start their career in banking, I can tell now that BygC is the best option for you. Even when we are thinking from the fee side or the trainees from the side. Actually, they are mentors. Actually, they can give us lot of informations from their experiences, and through their words and their blessings, we can achieve our dreams. If somebody want that much desire to achieve a job in the banking sector. I would like to thank you to Ruchi ma'am, Remya ma'am, Suhasini ma'am, and Shweta ma'am, and all BygC family.